Hey guys, welcome to the gaming studio. I'm your host Mario, and in this video, we'll be watching a video of exploding TNT 10,000, 100,000 TNT blocks versus one obsidian block. So let's get started to the video. Just look at his face. Just look at his face. So nice. He is shocked. I think he's shocked. Did you see this? A smartphone, which the icons in the smartphone are like Steve's face and Creeper's face, are Steve's and Creeper's faces, and seems to be iPhone 4 or something. I didn't know that you're too poor, man. This number is not that big. It's just 100,000, man, which has five O's. Why do you think that? Can it break? I don't think that 100,000 TNT can break when obsidian block. Let's see what happens. He also thinks like me. Oh my gosh. Pink sheep is the definition of beauty. That's not true. Not flipping true. Literally? This is just too big. I can't even do this. Because my computer, my laptop would break because of the lag and it would not work, man. I didn't know how they control that lag, man. This would be super laggy, man. I hope your computer rests in peace. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This is uh technical difficulties. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This lag. Boom, boom, boom. 3, 2, 1, boom. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This can't be true. I'm just like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Exploding TNT has won the bet. This is the first time he has done this, man. Rest in peace. Where has Pink Sheep gone? Is he suiciding? Oh my gosh, rest in peace, rest in peace. Bye, exploding TNT. I was just like this when, uh, you know, this was the best thing. I was also just like this when I saw that exploding TNT has won the bet. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe. This is my first video. I hope you liked it. Bye and rest in peace. Subscribe.